So we found this, what was originally called a Ninebot, is now owned by Segway, and I think they refer to it as a mini Segway. And this is our second one that we've purchased, and we found it on Amazon versus a Segway store, so should be able to find it under a mini Segway. But this gave our son such a great alternative to the wheelchair. It has so much more maneuverability and being able to get in and out of tight spots, which we'll show you in a second when Boston rides it. It only weighs about 35 pounds. It can go on an airplane with you. It just has a lithium battery. So when you buy it, it actually comes as what looks like a hoverboard, and you can buy the stem as an option. The seating department at Shriners helped us build this, so there is some Velcro that sticks it on, but we found that just it makes us feel better to have the extra duct tape, which is super cute, right? But this has been a conversation starter, a friend builder, a confidence booster, so many things. Everything is very intuitive on this. So if I were to just jump on it, which I won't because it looks bad, it's all based on balance. So I would step one and step up, and it moves very intuitively. But I'm going to show you how Boston does it. So there's the on button. It charges really fast. Like I said, this little piece right here can be built by a seating department to adjust to the height of the patient. So Boston transfers because he's not quite able to stand and balance to transfer just yet after his surgeries. So he gets on this way, gets himself adjusted. This stem can go up and down. This is actually an iPhone holder. And then Boston, when you show him how it spins on a very close radius, it goes forward and backwards. You pick up your foot in, so it shows. And then see, all he's doing is just leaning forward, backwards, side to side. This you can kind of see how it steers with this. And another fun thing is this is all controlled through an app on your phone, so you can set the speed limit down very low, so if someone is just beginning, it won't, take off faster than what they are expecting to go. But like I say, it's very intuitive because even as we walk, when we want to stop, we do this and it'll stop. So it learns the movements of the rider or the owner very quickly. And it's a pretty awesome, fun upgrade to wheelchair.